Here is how to create filters on Google Looker Studio. The first way is by choosing a particular chart, going to add a filter in the setup, and creating a new filter or choosing an existing one. I will choose an existing one that is called AI traffic sources. I will edit it to show you what it contains. First, the name of this filter is AI traffic sources, so it is easy to understand. The data source of this filter is Power Metrics on GA for data, and finally, the rules is include. I could choose between include or exclude. I could choose any of the fields in this connector. It can be metrics or dimensions, and the operator can be equals, contains, and others. I generally only use contains and equals. Finally, I could choose between or and. This is a standard conditional. I will close it and I will show you other ways to make this faster. I only created a filter for this particular chart, but I could create filters at page level and even report level that act on all my charts. So if I go to page and go to current page settings, and I select the data source of this page, which is GA4, I could select a particular filter that acts across all the charts in this page. So I will add a filter and I will add AI data sources. As you can see, all the charts in this page is filtered with AI data sources. And this is impressive because with this chart, I can know where my traffic is coming from these AI data sources like ChatGPT or Perplexity. Now I can do the same exercise, but at a report level. So I will, for instance, deselect this. If I want a particular chat to not be filtered, I will remove this one and I can remove this filter. So all my charts are filtered, but this one. Now, to make it at report level, I will go to File, then I will go to Report Settings, and I will add a filter. And you already know the exercise. This will filter all the charts in my entire report. And this is how you can create filters on Google Looker Studio.